Saving a file you made with Pillow is actually quite easy. You just put .save and then give it the file name. Big recommendation here when you're saving Pillow files or files that you've edited using Pillow, don't save them using the same file name that you used when you opened the file, or you will destroy your original, and then you'll be kind of screwed. So you save it using like a different, like cropped image is a good one, or you know, you could do like, yeah, put a two at the end of it, or you know, original changed, something like that. I mean, whatever you want to do. Just think about it, and don't save it as the original. If I save this as skate, I'd be in trouble. And in fact, you can see here I've got a lot of like various altered images that I've played around with. And this is actually the one that's used in the textbook for reference as well.